Something about the way she moves, yeah. Could bring a snowflake in June. Ice. She don't see me act a fool and never playing by the rules, no. I'ma take you down. I'ma take you. Be right through this town all alone. I go hard and you go slow. Hang with this. But on some real shit, you a queen and I know I never tell you that. So just listen when I tell you I wanna spend the rest of my life. Nah, well maybe not that much time with you. In the middle of the song, I can stop this shit just to remind the whole planet that I rock this shit. I'm talking leader of the class like some Proctor shit. I'm on a roll and not referring to my lobster dish. Okay, we back now. I'ma take you down. I'ma take you. I'ma take you down with me. If the ship sails, if it don't go well, I'ma take you down, down, down with me. We were lost in Pasadena trying to burn an ounce of reefer. That's just straight sativa, got me smoking like Khalifa. But I ain't even on that, hit it, never call back. Maybe I should fall back, or maybe I should find myself, or even look a little bit. I can't complain with 30 women in the crib though. Yeah, the king without the crown. But when I'm with you, we could tear this place down. Real talk. It's GALLO. Sheesh. Okay. I don't get to talk my shit that much these days. But you hear how fucking groovy this beat is. I just had to let it rock for the whole rest of the time that you're listening to this shit.